In our last video, beta, we have discussed about these things that are school, hospital. Now we are going and market. Now we are going to talk about post office. Every neighbor has a every neighborhood has a post office to send letters and parcels. We post letters in a letter in a letter box, and letters are delivered by a postman. A postmaster is the head of the post office. Maybe you've not seen the post office, but one day you go with your parents and see and visit post office. After this lockdown, not now. Beta, post office is the place where we can drop our letters in the letter box, and the postman is the person who delivers the letters, and the postmaster is the head of the post office. So this is very important place for a neighborhood. Now police station. This is a police station and this is a policeman. Police station is a very important neighborhood service. It is a place where we go to seek help against any crime. If we are feeling that any crime is going on, this is the place where we go and we complain that we have this much problem. Somebody is disturbing us. Somebody is making feel so bad. Somebody is cheating. Somebody is uh, doing a cruel behavior with us. So we can go and complain against them or against him in a police station. The police keeps us safe by maintaining law and order. We catch the thieves, robbers, and protect our life and property. Police is a person who helps us whenever we are in trouble. They catch the thieves and robbers and feel us comfortable and safe. So, police station is very important place to live in. So, wherever we will live, we have to see whether there is a police station or not. So, this is a very important service. Now, the next service is shopping mall. Shopping malls are another attractive service of neighborhood. Here is a cluster of shops are available in a one building with so many things. Have you gone to shopping mall? There are so many shops, cinema hall, eating plaza, and so many other things. These things are air conditioned and well maintained. So this is very good for recreation. If you want to go recreation, if you want to do recreation, we are going to mall. So mall is also an important part of the neighborhood. Now the another one is banks. See children, banks, if we want to keep our money safe, so we are to go to bank to deposit the money. We can keep our jewelry safe in the bank. So bank is another important part. That is very important for our neighborhood. So it is very important. We can keep our money, jewelry and other things in the bank for the safety. So bank is another very important part of the neighborhood. Now, places of worship. You all agree that church, mosque, temple and gurudwara, these are the very important part of our life. People go to the different places to worship according to their religion, to pray and thank God. A good neighborhood is a place, a good neighborhood is a place which has good neighbors, all essential services, and neat and clean surroundings. We should have a neat and clean surroundings. We can all try to be neighbors by helping each other in a time of need, sharing each other's joys and sorrows, celebrating festivals and the functions together. How can we feel good? What we have to do? We can help each other, we can share happiness, or we can celebrate the festivals. Because some points are there that are very, very important, that we have to clean our neighborhood, keep it neat and clean and safe. We have to use dustbin. We have to grow plants. We have to care of them. And a good neighborhood is an important place for living an easy and safe and a beautiful life. So, not only our house, children, all around the house should be clean, good, and safe. So, have a nice day. I hope you like it. Now, what you have to do, you have to clean your surroundings. You have to keep them clean. That's why I know. I call you my little gems, and you are. Thank you very much.